magandang umaga. Good morning, may buntag. Guys, andito ako ngayon sa Istanbul. Ay dadalawin natin yung mga yung mga mosque. Samahan niyo ako. Marami dito guys. Halos bawat lingon mo may mga mosque kang makikita kasi Istanbul kasi guys, boundary siya ng Europe at saka Asia. And then ang Istanbul is dominated by our Muslim brothers. So halos makikita mo. Ayun, sa likod ko guys, isa sa pinaka grand mosque nila. So far, yung pinuntahan natin, yung pinakamalaki lang. So i-share ko sa inyo. This is what I'm talking about guys, one of the grand mosque here in Istanbul. Ito yung sinasabi ko guys, yung isa sa pinakamalaki. Ito yung pinaka trademark ng Istanbul guys. Everywhere kaliwat kanan yung mosque. So it means talaga na ano siya, Muslim dominated country. As you can see guys, halos lahat mosque everywhere. At saka guys, yung mga mosque nila magkakalapit lang doon na guys. Hindi na kinangan mag-compute o mag-commute di ay. Sorry. Not need to be using car or taxi. Just walk because they are almost walking distance each other. So I need not to go inside because I have no idea what are the rules getting inside the mosque. So I just take a picture nearby. Ngayon guys, halos wala pa ako sa kalahati, halos 20% pa lang yung napuntahan ko. Pagod na ako. So I hope you enjoy guys. Yun nga paalala ko, pagka nagpunta kayo Istanbul, magdala na kayo ng maraming pera. Kasi pagka pumasok kayo rito sa open bazaar, andito lahat yung bargain guys. Mura lang siya. So guys, ito yung sinasabi ko. Mauninig sa Bisaya. Naadiri tanan. Mga pinakasikat sa Europe. Open bazaar sa Istanbul. So everything is here na. Andito lahat. Branded, second class, first class, perfume, alahas. Siguro guys, even in one day hindi natin kayang ikutin to. So I share you pieces kasi napakalaki talaga nito guys. It's one of a shopping paradise if you want. Be sure when you come to Istanbul, bring some lot of money. Because as you can see, everything is up here. The open bazaar. Andito na lahat guys. So make sure na puno yung wallet nyo. Kasi talaga yung mo guys. Yung mata mo mabubusog lang. So pahinga muna tayo guys. Napagod sa laki ng area. So ikot pa tayo. We have few more times. So I will show you more on this place. How this Ofin Bazaar looks like. So enjoy it guys, huh? Okay. Thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. I wish I could share more but nagtatrabaho po tayo guys. Nagtatrabaho pa tayo mga idol. So see you next video. I hope you enjoy it.